In today's video, I'll teach you how to find draft posts on Facebook. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. So in Facebook, you'll be able to create the post by simply tapping on this option, what's on your mind. Once you create the post, you can simply go back and tap on this option, save as draft, that you can see on the screen. Now if you want to find your draft, there is no direct option for doing that. So in order to do that, what you have to do is simply tap on this option, what's on your mind again. Now after you do that, you should be able to see the post that you saved as draft earlier. Keep in mind, Facebook only allows you to save the draft once. That means whenever you tap on the option what's on your mind, you'll be able to see the latest draft. This method might not work for all the devices, but this is the only method in order to access your draft on Facebook. So that is how you find your drafts on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.